Post-pay plans bill clients on a given cadence after sessions occur. Post-pay plans have a number of different configuration settings visible when creating a post-pay plan. Under plans, add plan, and then selecting the post-pay plan. There are a few different cadences for post-pay plans depending on how the business runs: monthly, twice a month, or weekly. What post-pay plans do is that during the given post-pay period, all the sessions marked attended for a client will be counted up and added to one invoice at the end of the cycle. To walk through this, let's use monthly as an example. A post-pay plan can be created for $100 an hour, and then a student can be enrolled under the post-pay plan. Upon enrollment, because clients are billed after sessions, they will not be invoiced immediately. Let's add a few events to the calendar to see how the post-pay plans reflect in the invoices. During a given post-pay period, using the monthly example, the first time a session is marked, an invoice will be created for that post-pay period with the status draft. Draft means the period is still active and sessions can continue to get added to that invoice. When going back to the student's attendance and continuing to mark sessions present, those sessions will reflect in the invoice, and the invoice balance will update accordingly. Depending on the settings, these invoices can auto-finalize at the end of the post-pay period or be manually finalized. A finalized invoice means that this period is over and that no more sessions can be added to this invoice. To configure this setting, go to Settings, General, Billing, and then enable or disable auto-finalized draft invoices. It is recommended to have this setting off because if instructors are late in logging sessions or calendar errors are made, it gives a little bit more time to review the invoices to ensure they're correct before being sent out and charged. How are these draft invoices finalized? From the Finances dashboard, it's possible to filter by all invoices in this post-pay period and see that these are still in draft. To finalize them, select All, Actions, and then Finalize Invoices. That will move them to pending, making them eligible to be paid by the client.